Because
Yeah?
you're teaching me how to play a game.
Play a game.
Yeah, what are you teaching me, beta?
That's the game.
Which game is this?
This is my jigsaw puzzle.
So jigsaw puzzle?
Yes.
And who got it for you?
From my mommy.
Your mommy got it for you?
Yeah.
Where did you get it from?
From my shop.
Which shop?
Shop toy.
Toy shop.
Yes.
Where did you go today?
To down.
To town.
Down.
Did you buy anything for daddy?
No.
Nothing for me?
No.
This is not for me, this puzzle?
Yes, it's for you.
Oh, it's for me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Don't play it yet.
Can I play?
Don't play it.
Okay.
Then it's over there.
Hmm.
Then I bring it older for you.
Okay, thank you.
Not still yet.
Okay.
There's one more. So that I have to teach you.
Okay.
What's this goes? Where's this goes?
You show me.
This goes